morning. What a beautiful day. That feels refreshing. Nothing is better than a peaceful morning tea. These chocolate waffles are delicious. Let's harvest fresh cocoa pods. Fresh cocoa beans are hidden inside. Let's collect every cocoa bean. Fresh banana leaves are perfectly clean. Now the beans begin fermenting. Drying naturally under the warm sun. Roasting brings out the rich chocolate flavor. Grinding into smooth cocoa paste. Mixes cocoa paste with cocoa butter, milk powder, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Let's shape beautiful chocolates. Time to let them set perfectly. Look at these beautiful homemade chocolates, absolutely perfect. Let's decorate these beautiful chocolates. From cocoa tree to homemade chocolate. Made with love. Enjoy! Fresh homemade chocolates!
Wow, they look so beautiful.
Thank you. Here are your chocolates.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Hello! Fresh homemade chocolates! We'll buy one gift box. Here you go.
They're so pretty.
Enjoy your sweet treats. Welcome! Fresh homemade chocolates are ready. Hello! Fresh homemade chocolates! We'll buy one gift box. Here you go.
They're so pretty.
Enjoy your sweet treats. Which chocolate would you like?
The rose chocolate, please.
We'll take this gift box.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Bye. Mom, I want the rose chocolate.
One rose chocolate gift box, please.
These are for our grandchildren. We'll take a mixed gift box. Thank you. They'll love these. These chocolates look beautiful.
We'll take the premium gift box.
Wonderful choice. Enjoy. Have a sweet evening.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.